Okay, up for sale is a Volvo battery box off of a Volvo truck. It's black plastic, has the two tie downs. I don't know what truck it comes from. This was just laying around my shop, and I had somebody pass away that would know, but anyway, this is the width, roughly 15-ish inches, 1 foot. Well, yeah, 1 foot 5 inches. Okay. This is the length this way. It is roughly 20 inches, even though that's on a slope. And this measurement is roughly 16 inches, almost 17. And the height is, the highest part is 10 inches. That is a wedge shape. Anyway, on the truck it should probably sit like this. At this angle, it should appear level. Anyway, this thing's in good shape. I just kind of wipe the dust off of it, but anyway, it's solid. Black plastic. There's a flaw. Right there is just a little bitty flaw. Right there. Little flaw. And on this side, that piece is missing, but I don't think anybody would see it. You could always take a piece of black plastic and plastic weld it right there to make it through. If you have a show truck, because the other side, in comparison to that, would look like this. So that little strip's missing. And anyway, it's dirty, but it's a pretty solid piece. I'm sure this is something you can't find. Inside solid. See, that piece doesn't matter because the tie down is going to be in that position. So please note that. Anyway, I have this for sale. I usually put my stuff on eBid and eBay. www.ebid.net. I prefer eBid because it's cheaper for me to list and I can pass the savings on to you. Whatever I have for sale on eBay will be cheaper on ebid.net. ebid.net started at the same time as eBay, and it was the UK competitor to eBay. It's kind of like Pepsi was to Coca-Cola. It's been around since the 90s, and it uses PayPal, and it's a trusted, verified site, and it's free to use. It only costs me as the seller, and I guess you just probably go to the site, use your email, whatever, order the product, use PayPal. You may not have to use anything, just a guest. Anyway, it's a Volvo battery box. If you want to contact me directly, it's privateseller007@gmail.com. And I'll put the shipping dimensions into ebid.net. Remember, .net, not .com. And please note that flaw right there. And right there, Volvo battery box. Okay, privateseller007@gmail.com. If you want to skip eBid and eBay, you just contact me directly. Of course, this thing needs cleaned up with some Armor All, but I just wiped it off. It's kind of dry looking, dirty, dusty. Anyway, privateseller007@gmail.com. That is 007, not the letters 007. privateseller007@gmail.com. I accept PayPal or Cash App. Thank you.